Hopefully this is 2 minutes. I'm gonna fly paper airplane. Now I've been trying to make 2 minutes, but I can't. They always go past 2 seconds or -2 seconds. So hopefully this one's 2 minutes exact. Got the Pooh Brain pony here. Pooh Brain horse on Adventure Time. Now what I'm gonna do, I was gonna make a paper airplane, but I'm talking too much. Okay. I don't know if you see me. Okay, I think you should see me because this is right there. So I'm gonna try to fly this paper airplane passing those 2 doors, because there's my room door and the hallway door. So here goes nothing. Heh, with a tip got crushed already. Okay, and I'll just do it with my left hand. This is my left hand. Here it goes, and it crashed. Let's go get it. Again. And okay, it went the other way. This is really hard. Take some practice. And well, I am using my left hand and I'm not even left-handed. It went behind a door. Oh, my 2 minutes are almost up. I'm a cheat. And I failed cheating. Bye bye.